Want to give your kitchen a modern makeover? Dive into the hottest design trends of 2024 and transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. From standout range hoods to smart storage solutions, discover the trends that will elevate your kitchen this year. Welcome to Visionary Designs. If you're passionate about cutting-edge interior design, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest trends and tips. Make sure to like and subscribe for more design inspiration. Let's jump into the top kitchen trends of 2024. Let's start with statement range hoods. In 2024, range hoods are no longer just a functional necessity. They're becoming a focal point in kitchen design. Traditionally, range hoods were designed to be discreet and purely functional. But this year, they're stepping into the spotlight with bold, artistic designs. Expect to see range hoods crafted from a variety of unique materials, such as rich wood, sleek stainless steel, and even mixed metals for an industrial chic look. These eye-catching designs are not just about functionality. They're about making a statement and adding a distinctive character to your kitchen. Imagine a beautifully crafted wooden range hood with intricate details, or a contemporary stainless steel hood that stands out above your cooking area, creating a striking visual impact and setting the tone for the rest of your kitchen design. Next up is smarter storage. This year, the focus is on making kitchen storage both functional and stylish. As kitchens become more central to home life, the demand for smart, efficient storage solutions has skyrocketed. One key feature is the appliance garage, a clever solution that hides countertop appliances like blenders, toasters, and coffee makers behind sleek cabinetry, keeping them out of sight but within easy reach. This is perfect for decluttering your kitchen counters and maintaining a clean, organized look. Additionally, walk-in pantries are making a comeback, providing ample space for food storage and helping to keep your kitchen essentials neatly organized. Built-in cabinetry and customizable dividers are also becoming more popular, allowing homeowners to tailor storage solutions to their specific needs and preferences. These innovations not only enhance the functionality of your kitchen, but also contribute to a more polished and harmonious design. Trend number 3 is backsplash blending. This year, the traditional tile backsplash is being reimagined with a more cohesive and striking approach. Instead of using separate tiles, designers are opting for large slabs of stone or quartz that extend from the countertops up to the cooktop or range. This seamless design creates a continuous, uninterrupted surface that adds sophistication and elegance to the kitchen. The slabs often feature bold, graphic veining or intricate patterns that can serve as a focal point, drawing the eye and elevating the overall aesthetic of the space. Not only does this approach provide a sleek and modern look, but it also makes maintenance easier, as there are fewer grout lines to clean. This trend is all about creating a polished, high-end look while simplifying the upkeep of your kitchen surfaces. Fourth on the list is dramatic islands. Kitchen islands have long been a staple in home design, serving as both a prep area and a casual dining spot. However, in 2024, they're taking on a more dramatic and prominent role. Expect to see oversized islands with bold patterns and statement-making features. Large, thick slabs of stone with dramatic veining or waterfall edges are becoming increasingly popular, adding a touch of luxury and grandeur to the kitchen. These islands are not just functional, they're designed to be the centerpiece of the kitchen. Complemented by low-hanging pendant lights with colorful patterns or unique designs, these islands create a striking visual impact and enhance the overall atmosphere of the space. This trend emphasizes the importance of the kitchen island as both a practical work surface and a stylish focal point. Moving on to eco-friendly materials, which are gaining traction in 2024. As sustainability becomes more important to homeowners, the use of environmentally friendly materials in kitchen design is on the rise. Recycled countertops, such as those made from reclaimed glass or composite materials, are not only stylish, but also reduce environmental impact. Low VOC, volatile organic compounds, finishes are being used for cabinetry and paint to improve indoor air quality and minimize harmful emissions. Additionally, sustainable cabinetry made from certified wood or bamboo is becoming a popular choice for eco-conscious homeowners. These materials not only contribute to a greener planet, but also add a natural, organic touch to your kitchen design. By incorporating eco-friendly materials, you can create a beautiful kitchen that reflects your commitment to both style and sustainability. Next, we have multifunctional furniture. In today's kitchens, versatility and space-saving solutions are more important than ever. Multifunctional furniture pieces are designed to maximize utility while maintaining a sleek, stylish appearance. For example, extendable dining tables that can be adjusted to accommodate more guests are perfect for both everyday meals and entertaining. Built-in seating areas that double as storage offer a practical solution for small kitchens, providing both comfort and extra space to store kitchen essentials. This trend is all about making the most of your kitchen space and ensuring that every piece of furniture serves more than one purpose. By incorporating multifunctional furniture, you can enhance the practicality of your kitchen while keeping it looking elegant and organized. Textured finishes are also making a big impact this year. Adding texture to your kitchen surfaces and cabinetry creates depth and visual interest, transforming a flat design into something more dynamic and engaging. Ribbed or fluted cabinet doors, for example, add a tactile element that contrasts beautifully with smooth surfaces like countertops and backsplashes. Textured tiles for the backsplash or flooring can also introduce a new dimension to your kitchen design. This trend is all about creating a sensory experience that draws people in and makes the space feel more inviting. By incorporating textured finishes, you can add character and sophistication to your kitchen, making it a space that's both functional and visually stimulating. Lastly, bold color palettes are taking over kitchen design. While neutral tones have long been popular, 2024 is embracing vibrant colors and striking contrasts. Brightly colored cabinets, dynamic backsplash tiles, and colorful accents are all making a splash in modern kitchens. This trend encourages homeowners to break away from traditional color schemes and infuse their kitchens with personality and energy. Whether you choose a bold, jewel-toned cabinet or a backsplash with a lively pattern, incorporating vivid colors can bring a fresh and exciting vibe to your kitchen. By embracing bold color palettes, you can create a kitchen that feels lively, unique, and full of character. Thanks for watching. We hope you're inspired by these top kitchen design trends for 2024. Which trend are you most excited to incorporate into your kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more design updates and tips. See you in the next video!